Hello everyone, we welcome you back to CLG Machines. Dive inside the core of food industry machinery as we explore the path of pork from farm to fork. Step onto an American pig farm and you'll immediately hear the vibrant oinks and grunts of pigs. The voyage begins with the birth of piglets, who are promptly comforted and fed by their mother and siblings. These baby piglets are given scrupulous care, including routine health exams and vaccines. Every day, they are taken outside to enjoy the natural sunlight and exercise, which is essential for their development. This stage is critical because it helps the piglets hone their senses and gain strength for future difficulties. When they reach market weight, which is normally between 240 and 280 pounds, it is time to leave the farm and begin on their final journey. It's a bittersweet moment, laced with the realization that their sacrifice will benefit countless others. Pork is one of the most popular meats in the world, with the average American consuming over 50 pounds per year. It's a cooking classic in America because of its versatility and excellent flavor. Workers at the processing factory use protective gear to safeguard their safety and hygiene. The plant has conveyor lines that transfer cleaned pork slices to several units for further processing. One of the first stops is the cutting machine, which expertly splits the pig into various cuts such as ribs, trotters, and tenderloins. The meat then moves on to the next stage, where expert personnel trim it into smaller pieces using their knives. They carefully remove any surplus parts that do not match quality requirements. The pork leg is especially prized, and once processed, it is beautifully packed. These packages are then transported to supermarkets, where they can be picked up by customers and served on dinner tables around the country. In our country, a modern industrial line with automated machinery packages minced pork effectively. These high-tech food industry devices simplify the process, ensuring that meat is cooked safely and quickly for market. This arrangement illustrates America's commitment to using advanced technology to improve food production and safety regulations, demonstrating the country's forward-thinking approach to the food business. The food industry relies on advanced, automated meat cutting lines. These high-tech machines process large amounts of meat quickly. The slices are sliced evenly with equal thickness. The wonderful meat will be packaged promptly and transported to the grocer. This machine is intended to handle both large and small cuts, with an optimum cutting breadth even for larger parts such as beef tips. This gadget is a game changer in the food sector, ensuring that every piece of meat, regardless of size, is prepared perfectly. Splitters, sometimes known as pig trotters, are processed by mechanized equipment in the food sector in the United States. These sophisticated, efficient tools speed up the cutting and preparation process, guaranteeing that this famous dish is ready for cooking and consumption across America. These frozen chicken bits are destined for sausage production. Today's high-tech machinery produces fresh sausages in record time. These automated wonders mix, fill, and link the sausages at astonishing speeds, ensuring that they are ready to cook in no time. It's like having a mini sausage factory right on the assembly line, making pleasure in an efficient manner. Finally, properly pack it. Automated and contemporary machinery play an important role in the food sector today, particularly in the production of popular commodities such as ham, bacon, and cheese. These machines are meant to work in a production line, increasing efficiency and precision. A slicer, for example, is a critical component in this system. It quickly and reliably slices these products into uniform slices, ready for packaging and shipment. This not only accelerates manufacturing, but also assures that each slice satisfies quality standards. Such technological innovations assist food makers in meeting rising consumer demand, while also maintaining a consistent supply of these valued culinary staples. We have a cutting-edge production line with machines capable of producing thousands of cakes every day. These cutting-edge, automated, sophisticated technologies are transforming the food business. Biscuit makers use cutting-edge, automated machinery to expedite production. These contemporary food industry machines enable efficiency and high-quality biscuit production throughout the country. These ham rolls, each about 2 meters long, are beautifully arranged and packed in bundles of 7. Ever wondered why precisely 7? It is simply the industry standard for streamlined storage and transportation. They are processed and packed utilizing cutting-edge food industry gear that is fully automated. A fruit and vegetable packing station is located just next to the meat packing equipment. These foods go through a comprehensive procedure before being packaged to ensure they stay fresh. It's all handled by a slew of automated, contemporary machines. Look at this line of donuts. They're sugar-coated and chocolate-drenched as they roll off a contemporary, computerized food processing line. It's a delightful sight to see these flawlessly constructed delights, ready to please any sweet taste. In the food sector, lines of contemporary, automated machinery, such as robotic arms, perform critical roles. These devices make the manufacturing process easier by sorting, cleaning, and packaging products efficiently. This technology not only speeds up manufacturing but also maintains consistency and hygiene while adhering to strict industry requirements. These modern machinery, whether packing fresh produce or prepping items for transportation, are critical to keeping things going smoothly and efficiently in today's fast-paced food markets. Robotic arms on a contemporary packing line quickly handle onions and cucumbers, demonstrating the most recent in food sector automation. These efficient machines help to expedite the packing process in today's fast-paced environment. This cutting-edge production line can produce more than 1 million pieces of bread every day, demonstrating the astonishing potential of modern technology. This line is equipped with modern, automatic machinery that can adjust to make a broad variety of bread types, all suited to satisfy the market's fluctuating demands. Conveyor belts span hundreds of meters in a bustling pear and apple processing business. Here, cutting-edge automated equipment take control, sorting the fruits according to size. Each apple and pear is meticulously washed and sorted to ensure that everything is perfect. Finally, they're properly wrapped and ready for transportation. This sophisticated setup represents efficiency in the food industry. If you appreciate this video, press number 1. Thank you. This is a cake cutter with a diamond-coated titanium blade that ensures every slice is perfect. Each piece looks delicious, with exquisite slices that leave you wanting more. And the best part, all of this happens mechanically as part of a contemporary food assembly line. Every cake is meticulously packed and delivered to consumers, ensuring a pleasurable experience each time. Modern automatic devices in the food business help to expedite the sorting and packaging of burger meat. This efficient line ensures that each piece of meat fulfills quality standards before being neatly packaged and ready for distribution to supermarkets and, eventually, your barbecue. Have you ever stumbled upon a restaurant that truly catches you off guard with its innovative approach? Imagine walking into a Korean BBQ place where instead of the usual grill setup, there's a rotating grill right at your table. Yes, a grill that cooks your pork to perfection without you having to lift a finger. In America, where dining out is a significant part of the culture, restaurant owners constantly seek ways to enhance the customer experience while managing operational costs. This rotating grill could be just the breakthrough needed. Customers can relax, chat, and watch as their food cooks evenly on the automated, rotating surface. Efficiency and entertainment rolled into one. Such innovations in the food industry are not just about automation, they're about creating a unique dining experience that draws people in. Restaurants across the United States are beginning to take note of these advancements. By integrating food industry machines like the rotating grill, they can offer something out of the ordinary that sets them apart from the competition. In the fast-paced American lifestyle, where quick service and convenience are prized, such innovations can blend tradition with modernity. For instance, while Korean BBQ is traditionally very hands-on, this machine simplifies the process without sacrificing the communal and interactive elements that make Korean BBQ what it is. From fast casual dining spots to upscale restaurants, the adoption of such technology promises not only to enhance the customer experience but also to improve operational efficiencies. Owners and managers can allocate their resources more effectively, focusing more on customer service and less on the mechanics of food preparation. In a bustling side street known for its mouth-watering aromas and buzzing atmosphere, there's a hidden gem that has skyrocketed to fame, especially among pork cutlet enthusiasts. A humble eatery, celebrated for its handmade pork cutlet, became a sensation with a staggering 35 million views on YouTube. This isn't just any pork cutlet spot, it's renowned for its use of 100% natural sole milk cheese, a detail that has pork cutlet aficionados and a dedicated online community buzzing. The secret to the success of this Korean street food haven lies in the meticulous preparation and dedication to quality. Each pork cutlet is handcrafted with precision, using only the finest cuts of pork. What sets it apart is the creamy layer of sole milk cheese that melts beautifully into the meat, creating a flavor so rich and unique that it leaves food lovers craving more. In contrast to many modern eateries that rely heavily on food industry machines to quicken production, this restaurant prides itself on its traditional hand-made approach. However, it's interesting to note how food industry machines are shaping culinary landscapes elsewhere, notably in the US. In America, the integration of such technology in food preparation has not only optimized efficiency but also maintained consistency and quality across vast food chains. Machines in the food industry can handle everything from slicing, dicing to packaging, ensuring that each product meets stringent standards without sacrificing the taste and quality that customers expect. The chef's skilled hands carefully coat the pork in a light, crispy breadcrumb mixture after it's been tenderized and wrapped with a generous slice of natural cheese. This commitment to traditional cooking methods is part of the charm that draws both locals and tourists to their doors. As each pork cutlet is fried to golden perfection, the edges of the sole milk cheese just begin to ooze out, creating a delightful contrast between the crispy exterior and the gooey, melted cheese inside. Served piping hot with a side of tangy, sweet sauce and fresh salad, it's a culinary experience that speaks to the soul of Korean street food culture. Videos of the cooking process and the final, mouth-watering dish have gone viral, captivating food lovers around the world and showing just how powerful traditional culinary methods can be in an age dominated by automation and speed. In America, while food industry machines continue to revolutionize how food is prepared, There remains a deep appreciation for artisanal methods and the flavor profiles they can achieve, much like the celebrated Korean pork cutlet shop. Whether it's in the bustling streets of Seoul or a high-tech American food production line, the heart of culinary excellence lies in a dedication to quality and a passion for delighting the palate. This is where the magic of handcrafted, globally inspired barbecues come alive. Across the United States, a food revolution has taken root, blending the robust flavors of Brazilian churrasco, the heartiness of Texas BBQ, and the unique taste of Korean street food into an unforgettable culinary journey. Every year, an astonishing 155 tons of meat are expertly prepared and served in these bustling food hubs. The secret lies not just in the recipes, but in the passionate chefs who master the grills, maintaining tradition in a modern world. Each piece of meat is a testament to the skill and dedication of those who prepare it. In this dynamic landscape, the use of food industry machines is carefully balanced with traditional methods. While modern equipment helps manage the high demand efficiently, the authentic touch of hand grilling ensures that every bite retains its original deliciousness. Machines in the food industry. Particularly those designed for precision and consistency, support these culinary endeavors, making it possible to serve vast quantities without sacrificing the artisanal quality that patrons love. From the smoky, tender cuts of a Texas ranch to the vibrant, spicy skewers popular on the streets of Seoul, and down to the smoldering pits of a Brazilian feast, each style brings its own flair to the table. This blend of cultures not only showcases America's melting pot, but also highlights the innovative spirit of its food industry. Thank you for joining us on this fascinating tour through pig husbandry and food production. If you enjoyed the video, click subscribe and like to ensure you don't miss the next one. Goodbye.
Sneak peek of our team hard at work. Stay tuned for exciting upcoming episodes filled with surprises.